The background is white, the color is red, the color is orange, and the color is blue.
Show to the camera.
What is that?
What?
Picture?
What is the picture?
What is that?
The
red, orange and
picture
blue?
is 3 colors, 3 balloons.
Very good.
Very
Show to the
good.
camera. Yes. What is this one? Next card.
The color is white, the background is white, the number is 5, the color is 10. The colors are the pink, 5 pinks and 5 brown.
Show to the camera.
What is that?
What is it?
And they are ice cream.
Oh.
Cone
very
ice
nice.
cream
Very
actually.
good. Next card.
The color, the background is white, the shape, the numbers are 3 and the color are 3. They are primary colors, as shiny as a diamond. It's red, yellow, blue.
What is it? Shape?
The shape is cup.
Very
Wonderful.
nice.
Very nice.